Cadet Officer Candidates of Central Mindanao University Laboratory High School, Citizenship Advancement Training 1, under the auspices of the Cadet Officer Candidate School, are hereby promoted to their respective ranks stated below, effective this day. To be Cadet Major, Cadet Private, Andy J. T. Taghap. To be Cadet Captain, Cadet Private, Ezekiel Randy C. Gonzalez. Cadet Private, Jed Miles J. Branzuela. Cadet Private, Rohana Athena R. Santiago. Cadet Private, U.S. Guinea Q. Agbayani. Cadet Private, Chimimia Jem E. Kotico. To be Cadet First Lieutenant, Cadet Private, Micaela Nicole A. Kapusan. Cadet Private, Rain Matthew A. Monteverde. Cadet Private, Raisa Benfir C. Miranda. Cadet Private, Andrea A. D. Cadet Private, Paulo Miguel R. Kibikan. Cadet Private, Philip S. Sulatan. Cadet Private, Sandra C. Rabon. Cadet Private, Mary Grace P. Navarro. To be Cadet Second Lieutenant, Cadet Private, Mustaine Ray B. Cruz. Cadet Private, Axel Tom E. Montano. Cadet Private, Lena Terese F. Martinez. Cadet Private, Julian Ruvel A. Gat-Eb. Cadet Private, Mirbel Johan W. Maligro. Cadet Private, Jamila Faye G. Kasuyo. Cadet Private, John Robert E. Maravillosa. Cadet Private, Bayasan Hilary L. Borhal. Cadet Private, Ariel May T. Mamani. Cadet Private, Giselle Grace Q. Torino. Cadet Private, Dave Lawrence A. Azuelo. Cadet Private, Megan B. Kadigal. Cadet Private, Kirk Derek B. Namo. Cadet Private, Reinhardt C. Sol. Cadet Private, Ian Benedict M. Heraldeso. Appointment. Following male and female cadet officers of Central Mindanao University Laboratory High School, Citizenship Advancement Training 1, are hereby appointed to the designation indicated opposite their name effective this day. Cadet Major Andy J. T. Taghap, Battalion Commander. Cadet Captain Ezekiel Randy C. Gonzalez, Battalion S1. Cadet Captain Jed Miles J. Branzuela, Battalion S2. Cadet Captain Hannah Athena R. Santiago, Battalion S3. Cadet Captain U.S. Kini Q. Agbayani, Battalion S4. Cadet Captain Jimimia Jem E. Kotico, Battalion S7. Cadet First Lieutenant Micaela Nicole A. Kapusan, Alpha Company Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant Rain Matthew A. Monteverde, Alpha Company Executive Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Mustain Ray B. Cruz, Alpha Company First Platoon Leader and Military Police. Cadet Second Lieutenant Axel Tom A. Moncano, Alpha Company Second Platoon Leader and Military Police. Cadet First Lieutenant Raisa Kenfir C. Miranda, Bravo Company Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant Andrea A. D. Battalion Company Executive Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Reina Teresa F. Martinez, Battalion Company Commander, First Platoon Leader and Military Police. Cadet Second Lieutenant Julian Ruvel A. M. Bravo Company, Second Platoon Leader and Military Police. Cadet First Lieutenant Paulo Miguel R. Domincan, Headquarters Company Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant Philip S. Zulatan, Headquarters Executive Officer. Cadet First Lieutenant Sandra Rabo, Chief Cadet Officer Candidate School and Chief Military Police. Cadet First Lieutenant Mary Chris P. Navarro, Chief Medic. Cadet Second Lieutenant Mirbel Johan W. Maligro, COCS Instructor. Cadet Second Lieutenant Baya Shan Hilary L. Burhal, Medic Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Ariel May P. Umamalin, Medic Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Giselle Grace Q. Torino, Medic Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Dave Lawrence A. Azuelo, Medic Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Megan B. Tanigal, Records Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Kirk Derek B. Namo, Band Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Reinhard C. Sun, Armory Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Ian Benedict M. Hernandez, Color Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Maravillosa, COCS Instructor. Cadet Second Lieutenant Kasuyon, COCS Instructor. By the authority of Dakmandan, signed Cadet First Lieutenant Lawrence Nino G. Silaw, Chief COCS.